so cute.
Such a cutie.
Oh, it's cute, but it can't stay here.
Why, Daddy?
I'm sorry, honey. Our house just isn't designed for a cat.
I know. Maybe we can get a cat tree.
I don't know.
I mean, you've seen Grandma's house. Those things are just so big and messy and ugly. Oh, it's so messy.
Besides, you're the one that always calls her a
Crazy cat lady.
That's right.
Mom.
Don't worry, honey. I know how to deal with your father.
Okay. Wow!
What are you up to, kiddo?
Hi, Dad.
A DIY modular cat condo? With expansion modules coming soon?
Cool, right? Mama said it's nothing like Grandma's. And we can customize it in any shape we like.
Looks pretty good. Let's see what we can make.
Wow, this looks awesome, you guys. I think it fits. Honey, what do you think?
Yeah, I think it fits.
Yay!